What is going on today, YouTube? Today's project here is we gotta get the rest of this brush pile cleaned up. This thing was like massive. It was taller than this truck here. So we burnt down pretty much everything that would burn. And excuse the truck revving in the background here. Burnt down pretty much everything we could get to burn here. So the rest of this I'm just gonna move on to another brush pile because I need it out of the way because my septic tank's going right here. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, well we got it about as clean as we can get it here with the machine. I'll have to get it in here by hand and get all the, just the little debris that's left, but yeah, that looks a ton better. So, looks alright. Let's get up here and get a view of it. It's nice. You didn't even used to be able to walk through here, and now it's looking really good. The excavator made pretty quick work of it. We tried it with the tractor, but just the way all that stuff was laying in there, it wouldn't scoop it up right, so I just said forget it, and then we just took care of it with the excavator. But yeah, it's nice. Got to get rid of that eyesore, but other than that, we got that guy all cleaned up. So I guess that should do it for today's video. I went and bought me a new toy here, so I'm working on a video on this guy. So that should be out sometime next week. I'm gonna try and get this video up Sunday night or sometime Monday. So look forward to the one after this. Should be one of this guy. So you guys have a good one.